Hey y'all, and of course I'm back to get into another real dope hair tutorial for y'all. Okay, so yeah, I'm just showing y'all little clips of me prepping and just showing how I prep my hair first. Now I just put the wig. So I had colored the wig off camera because I'm like, I don't want to make this tutorial really long. So I'm just showing y'all how I just put it on my head. I see where I want to cut it at. Of course, when you're doing it yourself, you put it in a ponytail so that it's easier when it comes off to like just be able to cut it. You know what I'm saying? So here is me just chopping, chopping, chopping. And as y'all gonna see as I keep going in the tutorial, you're gonna see how I just keep playing around with it because like I don't have like this desired cut, but I do have like where I would want it to like stop basically. So yeah. See, I just keep putting it on myself and cutting, cutting, cutting just to see like what's the feasible cut that I want and what's gonna look good for me. Yeah, bear with me with the look of poom poom shots because when I know what, like, I don't know what I was thinking. So yeah, you just gotta keep putting it back on a mannequin head because you really gotta just understand that when you're doing it yourself, the back is not gonna be proportioned well. So I just keep making sure like I take it off, take it off, take it off, and cut to my desire and just make sure it's, cut right, cut straight, cut blunt. So I was able to get it to what my liking. I think off camera I went in the bathroom or something. And now I'm just flat ironing it, bumping it, making sure it look good. So here's me trying it on again. And I can see that I still got, a little bit more to cut. So now I'm just, measuring the lace. You always got to cut a lace. I don't like my lace too long. I like it to be comfortable. So here y'all going to see me just cutting the lace off comfortably. And I think at this part, I didn't bleach the knots yet. So off camera, I had to just go and like bleach the knots. Yeah, so this is how I put my cap on. I don't sew the back. I don't know why. So I just probably like pin the back up and then just put the cap on. Definitely get your baby hairs out the way so that you don't get no glue or no got to be on your stuck all on your hair and shit. Yeah, this is how, so y'all gonna see how I put on my cap basically. I start off like that so that it could be sealed on properly. Yeah. So I let my cap air dry while I fix the rest of my wig because it's like I don't got time to be sitting under a dryer, so I just let it air dry. Then I just use a razor to cut it off. This is the easiest way to like cut it off though, to be honest with y'all. I don't use the scissors because it just leaves it like jagged. And I want it to be seamless. You just tie it back. I found this method on Instagram or YouTube or one of them things. You don't gotta cut it, just tie it. So that's where I tuck my hair at. And I use Ruby, I think 14, I'm not gonna lie, or 11. I'll put it in the description box for the girlies that's my color and wanna know what's, what look good. So yeah, I put it on of course you put it on the cap, you put it on the back of the cap, and then I cut those what's it called? Those teeth out of the cap because them shits is mad uncomfortable. And they really take out your hair, so I cut them off. Now here you guys are going to see, before I glue or do anything, I see how melted it looks. And then I'll go in with like a lip liner or something and just measure where I should put the glue. Where I'm going to cut basically the excess lace off. Where I'm going to start it. And you just literally just dab. You don't want to put a lot because when it's time to put that glue on, you're going to have that excess like pencil color and you don't want that. This is when I knew I fucked up. Child, I ran out of glue. So, me being a hairstylist, I had to compromise. This is my first time, I want to tell y'all, like, really applying got to be on some, like, if it's glue. I usually put it, like, a little bit just for, like, the night. But, baby, I had to apply this like it was glue. And I want to tell y'all, that got to be stayed on for, like, a good 5 days. I went to the club after this, and it did not sweat out or come off. So, yeah, y'all, this just going to, I don't know. I may put it in the title box. Got to be in still. I don't know. But I knew I fucked up, y'all. My glue was all dried out and shit. I was like, oh no. I gotta go. So I just applied that bitch. And you don't want to use your fingers ever. Ever, ever, ever. Because the heat and the oil from your fingers is just going to make it white. And a little trick I learned was that you blow dry it before you put the band on so that, again, it don't turn white. So I'm just going in there and I'm running my mouth. I don't remember who I was talking to. But I just go in now and just, cut. And as you see, it's coming together. That shit looks so natural. People thought I cut my hair after this install. Y'all gonna see at the end. So, yeah, there I go, I don't know how long I left the bands on. Probably not for long, because that should be hurting my motherfucking head. So, yeah. Just cutting it. So, I'm just cutting it. And you see a little bit of the pencil was left. So y'all just be mindful of how much of the pencil you do to measure it out. But measuring it out is always good so that, you can see where you want to put it. So off camera, I went and did bangs. I want to show y'all how I cut my bangs and make them look real. I overdid it a little bit, but this is how I make it look real natural. Like, get that thin effect. I just pick it up from the bottom because you can't really see, and just use the razor. But you got to be careful with that. Now, to end this off, you got to put that color in to blend it, to make it seamless. And y'all see how good that look? I really did that, though. A lot of things I did off camera because it was just too time consuming. So let me know in the comments if it's something that you don't get or understand, and I can either make a video or just like write it out. We're gonna flatten that out. Yeah, period. Y'all see how that bitch look like? Scalp, I did it. I hope this tutorial found y'all good and well. I hope y'all like it. Make sure y'all like this video. Please like, and subscribe.